What's up? It's your boy Mel. I'm back. Got the valve covers in today. They're looking pretty sweet. Thought I'd just do a quick update. Finally got the motor in. Got the pulley set up on. I'm just waiting to clean up my power steering pump so I can get that installed. But this is what it's looking like. I was gonna paint the water pump black, but I just went with like a silver. Came out alright. And then here's the reservoir right here that I need to hook up. So eventually I'll probably just go with a manual steering box and I'll just eliminate the power steering altogether. There's the aluminum radiator with the panel, stainless panel on top. Gotta mount the electric fans, but should have it fired up this weekend, and might do a little test ride out to Tucson to break the motor in, right out there and ride back out. So if there's anybody out in Tucson want to hang out, might be out there this weekend. Keep you posted. Shoot me an email or something. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it was.
In the Range Rover or Regal, looking for the party people. And when I catch you, baby girl, you should feel lucky. We can make love, but don't forget to fuck me, cause you got more bounce than Roger Trout, man. I don't know when it's in or out, and so me, baby, give me that good thing. Ain't nothing wrong with the coochie bang, cause sugar-free, Mossberg, quick, and the AM definitely knows how to play him. Cause we went from demos to limos to lunch overseas, to models from Milan on their knees. Please.
We get down, down,